Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're making a super healthy and refreshing drink using 5 powerful ingredients. This drink is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that help boost your immunity, improve digestion, and give your skin a healthy glow. So stick around to learn how to make this tasty beverage that's not only nutritious but also easy to prepare. Let's dive in. First, we need 2 carrots. To retain the benefits of the outer layer of carrots, gently scrape the carrot skins. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant. This compound is converted into vitamin A in the body, helping support healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Chop the carrots into small pieces. Carrots also contain fiber, which aids in digestion and can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Potassium in carrots helps regulate blood pressure. Add the chopped carrots to the blender. If you are enjoying watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Next, we need 1 fresh tomato. Cut the tomato into small pieces and put them into the blender. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, a potent antioxidant that has been linked to heart health and a reduced risk of certain cancers. They also provide a good amount of vitamin C, which is vital for immune support and skin health. Additionally, tomatoes have potassium, which helps in regulating blood pressure. The next thing to make this amazing potion is a lemon. Cut the lemon into rings and remove the seeds. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and supports skin health. They also aid digestion, detoxify the liver, and contain antioxidants that reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Despite their acidity, lemons help balance the body's pH levels and support overall well-being. Additionally, lemons help prevent aging and keep the body in great condition. Put the chopped lemon into the blender. Next, we add 1 fresh orange. Peel the orange and cut it into rings. Oranges are widely recognized for their high vitamin C content, which is crucial for boosting the immune system and collagen production, promoting healthy skin. Oranges also provide natural sugars for energy and a variety of flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that help protect against chronic diseases. Add the chopped orange to the blender. Now, we need a piece of ginger. Peel and chop the ginger into small pieces. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help relieve nausea, improve digestion, and reduce muscle pain. It is known for its ability to enhance circulation and support a healthy immune system. Ginger also contains bioactive compounds that promote gut health and can even help reduce blood sugar levels. Please let us know in the comments which country you are watching from. Put the chopped ginger into the blender. Finally, we add 300 ml of water to the blender. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. It's time to blend everything together. This drink combines powerful nutrients that boost immunity, promote digestion, and support heart health. The vitamin C from orange and lemon strengthens the immune system, while carrots provide beta-carotene for eye health. Ginger aids digestion and reduces inflammation, and tomatoes offer antioxidants like lycopene for heart health. Overall, it's a hydrating, nutrient-packed drink that promotes wellness and vitality. And there you have it. Our drink is ready, both delicious and packed with health benefits. You've got a refreshing, immunity-boosting beverage ready to go. If you don't like pulps, strain the mixture to remove any pulp and ensure a smooth drink. Drink a glass of this potion every morning on an empty stomach. Pregnant and lactating women, people with allergies and other diseases should consult their doctor first. Take the required dose with the doctor's opinion and in appropriate amounts. Enjoy your miracle drink. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We wish you health. Goodbye.